Welcome, today I'm with me MOTOROLA Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So now just by double press the power key, we can only unlock our smartphone. And now just let's link the Google Assistant to power key. So to do that, let's open first the settings and then tap to the system. After that, click here to the gestures and to double press power key. Now we should switch down to launch assistant, and that's it. Now let's press twice to the power key, and we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you want to just turn it off by the same way, go here to the system, to the gesture section, click to double press power key and switch assistant to none. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.